How to remove/reset Windows Subsystem for Linux on Windows Insider build 14316. I installed the Windows Subsystem for Linux on Windows 10 Insider Preview build 14316. Now I would like to remove it, or, better, revert to its factory defaults, i.e. as it was when just installed. I tried to remove it from the turn Windows features on or off Windows, with no luck. I tried to mark it as off in the above windows and delete its files manually located in %user profile %/optata/local/lxss, with no luck. Has anyone succeeded in removing/resetting the Ubuntu user mode environment?
The following answer only applies to WSL on Windows 10 1703 and 1607. WSL on Windows 10 1709 Plus can be installed from within the Windows Store UB application. If you want to remove and reset the Linux subsystem, open a command prompt with elevated permissions and enter the following commands. Sources. This URL. Installing Fish Shell on Ubuntu on Windows 10. How to Ubuntu on Windows, Ubuntu Insights.
I was having problems with installing Bash. It would always hang at expanding file system. When I ran, it would error out. To fix this, I did a reboot. Ran this again as soon as the computer came back up. This worked. Then I found there is an issue related to installing the Bash prompt. And someone brought up about page files. I have 4 drives and 3 of them had page files. I set the page file to OneDrive and set it to be automatically managed. Rebooted the computer. Then I was able to install the Bash prompt for Windows, but instead of using run/install, I used
I förväntar support det här nu. Läser från Cybersubscribing.